So what's up, man? They Raven. What the deal is, man? So today I'm finna go cop me a new AR-15 because I need another one. Goddamn laws. I had to surrender the other one in court. A lot of shit went down, so but goddamn, we finna head to the Bass Pro Shop over there in Daphne and go get us another goddamn AR-15. Let's go. So what's up? We out here in Spanish Fort, Alabama. I'm from Mobile, Alabama. But we out here at the, what is this? The Bass Pro Shops in Spanish Fort, Alabama. As you can see. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, we out here. So today, hey, I'm finna go in here and cop me a new AR-15. For real, man. By the way, my name Raven, man. If you don't know, finna go in here and cop a new AR-15, man. Gotta cop a new gun, cause some shit went down in court and I had to motherfucking surrender my motherfucking other AR-15 to get a goddamn charge drop in goddamn court. I'm a motherfucking bad guy, man. In the streets of Mobile, Alabama, man. I'm a motherfucking bad guy, bro. So that's what we finna do. That's what we finna do. Yeah, Bass Pro Shop in Spanish Fort, man. We finna go in this motherfucker. Bass Pro Shop, man. Y'all check this shit out. Bass Pro Shops in Spanish Fort, man. The motherfucker nice than the motherfucker too. You see that? Yeah. Hey.
You have your card?
Card?
Yeah. You know anything MasterCard we offer?
I do got one, but I don't be using it though. I don't know, I probably won't use the day because I'm finna try to buy something today.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, tell you what, look, keep this in case you don't have it, if it's not good anymore.
Okay.
But, you can have your own card.
Alright. Just doing some video recording me going to buy something.
Oh, no problem.
Alright. Yeah, man, so we in the Bass Pro Shop in Spanish Fort. You feel me, man? This motherfucker big too, man. Check this shit out. The Bass Pro Shop. So yeah, man. I'm trying to see what type of AR-15 I'm finna grab. I don't know, man. Probably an expensive one, probably a little cheap one, man. I don't know. Gotta check these motherfucking fishes out, man. You know what I'm saying? Motherfucking cotton can in there. I might give you some motherfucking cotton can. I don't know. But yeah, I check the motherfucking fishes out, man. Bass Pro Shop. Look at that shit, man. Motherfucking fish. Pro Shop, man. Let's go up this motherfucker. Bass Pro Shop. Big ass fish, man. Big motherfucking fish. Like a big ass stairwell going up. You know what I'm saying? Bass Pro Shops out here in Spanish Fort, Alabama, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, there you go. So, I don't know, I've been thinking about a motherfucking boat, man. I might get me a damn boat someday. Motherfucking saying, pro shop. Oh shit. But yeah, man. Go check out some guns, man. Oh, they even got the little shit over here you can play. You can play the little guns and shit at. The gun games and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Shoot at you some shit. You know what I'm saying? So they got this shit up here. This shit crazy. I be liking stuff like this, but should be interesting. Alright. Go over here and check out some motherfucking guns, man. Tired of here walking up them goddamn stairs. Shit. That shit right there. It's crazy, man. Yeah. Whew. Yep. Yep. Yeah, damn. Let's get this motherfucker to focus. Whew. What's up, man? I'm back, bro. Over here to grab me some shit. Alright, man, we over here by the motherfucking guns. Let's check some shit out. Feel me? Damn deals. Shit look real little motherfucker. Yeah, man. Checking out the gun.
Checks all the boxes. Yeah.
What?
What about
I ain't looking for no handgun today though, man. Try to get me an AR-15.
365.
Let's see what the
I have a can.
gun salesman talking about.
That's what I do.
Let's see what the gun salesman talking about, man. Let's see what he can get me. Damn, I forgot about that shit. I'm gonna have to give me some damn bullets too. Shit. Had to give me some motherfucking bullets too, man. Well, the gun salesman, man, he working with another customer right now, so he gonna get to me. I'll get back to y'all, man, once the gun salesman get to me, man. Alright, man, so we back. I seen that it was another one that was kind of a high price for $7.99.
Yeah. Now this is the Ruger AR-556, but it's still sort of the same thing. You really don't have the option to do a whole lot as far as M-lock and all that sort of stuff.
Okay.
Because it doesn't have the M-lock floor end.
Okay.
You can get stuff for it, but you're going to have so much more invested that you'd be better off just go ahead and buy one of these right now. If you want to like trick it out with a like a light, or if you want to put a four end grip on it or anything like that.
Okay.
But again, you're going to be paying. Let's see, the cheapest way to get in on that, and looking like 1,100 bucks.
1,100.
Yeah.
Okay.
Plus tax.
Got a flat top rooter. Do we still have a flat top rooter?
Okay, and that's the one.
That's probably $8.99.
That was $8.99?
Yeah, let me look real quick.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure it's $8.99 because the regular one is $7.99.
Yeah, I thought that thing was about 13.
Unless that was a sale price or something.
Okay.
$899.99. Yep. There you go. Now that one does have the M lock and the ability to put
Okay.
red dot on it. You can do
I
whatever
don't know,
you want
guys.
with
I'm probably thinking about grabbing this one. I don't know. Do the black rain one, man. I don't know. Thinking about doing the black rain one, man. I don't really know.
that sticker around. I saw them like that.
Yeah.
Because we ran out of rooter.
So what's up? We finna goddamn do the background checks and shit. Run the background checks with Nix, with the FBI, the ATF, man. So we can, you know what I'm saying, try to get the goddamn gun and shit. Now I get back with y'all, man. Alright guys, so we done with the background check, got approved. Now they just gotta box it up for me and I gotta go pay for it.
You're going to have one final check from a final manager, and I'll
Okay.
ring you up and you'll be ready to go.
Alright.
Come on down.
Alright. Alright, so that's it guys. We got us a new gun, a new toy. The AR-15 is called a Black Rain. You take 223 and then 556. 223 to 556.
Cheapest only here. And
There it is right there. You getting it ready for me now?
okay. Let me get out your way.
How you paying for this? Cash card.
Card. Alright, guys, man. Let me get back at y'all. Alright, so the price came up to $769, y'all. Shoot. What the hell? Well, they ain't doing it. Alright, y'all, so we done purchasing the gun, man. When it came and got us AR-15, the price came up to about $769. You know what I'm saying? And what the price came up to, they just doing another double check before I walk out the door with this thing, man. And we home free.
We don't have a lot of you that go on.
So the price came up, you know what I'm saying, about $700 to show y'all.
Probably gonna be probably front sights and stuff, and that's gonna be it. I know.
Yeah, it was a total price was $854, my bad. $854 and Pro Shop, man. So I need to give me some motherfucking bullet for this thing, man. They said if it take 223 to 556, I'm gonna go 223 though. Let's check and see what we got. Get some 223s, man. Let me see what they got. Oh yeah. Get some of them 223 100 round range. 223. You feel me? Alright, so we done with everything. We got the gun. You know what I'm saying? Got the gun. Got the bullets. You know what I'm saying? Bass Pro Shop. You know what I'm saying? We the came. We saw, we conquered. You know what I'm saying? Motherfucker got elevators too, man. Y'all check this shit out. Elevator in the motherfucking Bass Pro Shop, man. We see what one of the doors gonna open, man. We want from the open water first, man. Oh, that was opening up first on me. Is it? I don't know. Yeah, I just finna open up first. So yeah, man, we done copped our gun, man. So we in the elevator. You know what I'm saying? We done did our thing, bro. So copped us a new AR-15, ready for the streets, ready to get it clacking. You understand me? Yeah, this Raven, man, from Mobile, Alabama, man. For real, be looking out for some more content. You know what I'm saying? We finna head out the motherfucking door. Bass Pro Shop, gun shopping. You know what I'm saying? It's called a Black Rain. What the hell is Black Rain? Let me see what I caught, man. What did I caught? Yeah, man, it be with like a Black Rain, some shit. I just caught, so. But man, I'm out of here, man. I will catch up with y'all another time, man.